Hot.
Hot, it's hot.
You want more? You get to give me a wave.
Nice wave, Rox.
All right. That's my girl. Take part of it. You, come
Wow.
here. Come on.
Wow.
You gonna show me your wings for this? Show me your wings.
Look at those wings,
All
bub.
right. Hey.
Wow.
Does he try to run, fly away?
Yeah, that's why he has a leash on. He's very
He doesn't
skittish.
try to fly away. If he gets startled by something, he flaps his wings. And 3 flaps is 75 feet that way. We say for that.
Good boy. You're such a pretty boy.
Good boy.
Oh, you're such a pretty boy.
Good boy, Abu.
Mr. Handsome.
Is that good stuff? Is it hot? Is it hot?
Hot.
Hot, yeah, it's hot.
Hot.